Are your viewers clicking off your videos too soon? Yaikim, let's fix that, because your watch time is the real secret to YouTube growth and the reason the algorithm ignores or promotes your channel. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep viewers watching till the very last second. Number 1. Hook viewers. Early. The first 10 seconds of your video decide everything. If your hook is weak, people swipe away before your story even starts. So begin with something that instantly sparks curiosity, a bold question, a surprising fact, or an emotional statement. Example: instead of saying, "Today I'm going to teach you how to increase watch time," say, "Here's why most YouTubers fail to hold attention and how you can fix it today." That difference, that spark, is what keeps people from leaving. Number 2. Preview what's coming. Right after your hook, give viewers a reason to stay. Say something like, "Watch till the end because the last tip will completely change how you edit your videos." When people expect something valuable later, they stick around. Number 3. Tell stories depending on your niche. Don't just share tips, share stories, because facts inform people, but stories connect with them. Tell them about your first upload that got 0 views, or the time you nearly gave up before one video finally took off. Stories make your audience feel like they're growing with you, not just watching you. Number 4. Use pattern interrupts. To keep viewers engaged, change visuals every few seconds. Add zoom-ins, text on screen, B-roll, or sound effects depending on the topic you're talking about. When visuals change, even the attention of the viewers resets. The secret is simple: don't let any moment stay still for too long. Number 5. Tight pacing. Cut out the fluff every second your viewer waits, they leave. Edit fast, keep energy high, add music that fits your message. When your pacing feels alive, your audience stays alive too. Number 6. Mid-video hook. At around halfway, drop a new hook. Say, "Don't leave yet." The next strategy is something even top YouTubers forget. This restarts curiosity and pushes your average view duration way higher. Number 7. Strong call to action. Don't just say, "Subscribe." Say, "If this helped you increase watch time, wait till you see my next video." It's the secret behind getting YouTube to recommend your channel to new viewers. That's how you turn one view into a loyal viewers. Conclusion: to grow on YouTube, you don't need luck, you need retention. Master your hook, your pacing, your storytelling, and the algorithm will do the rest. So before you upload your next video, remember this: don't just make videos, make experiences that keep people watching till the very last second. Now go create something worth finishing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.